understood how we're going to move forward.
The Voice of the People Party walked out of the all-party meeting. Commenting on their walkout, the Chief Minister said he fails to understand the logic of the party, although he observed that it can be their political decision. Meanwhile, VPP General Ricky Singhon said that there is no point of talking about the roster system without discussing the reservation policy.
How can we speak about the roster system if reservation is not being discussed? So that is what we've been insisting upon the government. And so unless the government talks about the reservation, I think there's no point talking about the roster system.